In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize buttons in the mobile editor. Whether you're enhancing navigation or simply aiming to boost the visual appeal of your site, adding buttons is a crucial step. So let's dive into how you can easily do this. To begin, you'll want to head over to your mobile editor. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll be looking for a button labeled Add Elements. This is your starting point. Go ahead and click on it. This area is a treasure trove of options that allow you to enrich your website with various interactive elements. And today, we'll specifically focus on buttons. After you've selected Add Elements, you will see multiple categories of elements you can add. But for our purposes, we are focusing on buttons. Once you click on that, you'll notice there are further options within the button category. Specifically icon buttons, or a menu type button. Choose which one best fits the style and functionality you're aiming for. Icon buttons are great for including small graphics, while menu type buttons can be perfect if you want to integrate a more traditional navigation menu. With your choice locked in, it's time to drag and drop it onto your site. This action is quite simple. Click on the button you've chosen, hold down the mouse button, and drag it over to the desired location on your mobile site. Release the mouse button to drop it in place. Just like that, the button is now on your site, but you're not quite done yet. There's room to personalize it further. Now, click on your newly placed button. You'll see an array of options. Focus on the one titled Change Icon. This will allow you to select an icon that best suits your site's theme. Perhaps a classic hamburger icon is what you need for a menu, or maybe something else that matches the aesthetic you're going for. You're free to choose what feels right for your site style and functionality. With the icon in place, you can take it a step further by customizing the button's appearance. You have the creative liberty to adjust colors, sizes, maybe even the font used for any accompanying text. This customization ensures that your button stands out, yet aligns seamlessly with the rest of your site's design. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a button on your mobile site. This simple yet impactful addition can significantly enhance the user experience on your website, making navigation intuitive and visually appealing. Remember, good design is about balancing form and function, and these steps help achieve just that. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you now feel confident in using the mobile editor to spruce up your site with customized buttons.